In this video, I'll show you how to install Quixel Bridge in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, open up your favorite browser. We are going to go to quixel.com/bridge. Okay. Again, quixel.com/bridge. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go to the top right, click on sign in. Now, if you have an Epic Games account, well, just click on sign in with Epic Games so that you can go ahead and download or freely discover the Quixel's library. Okay. So click on sign in, follow the simple prompts and wait for it to authenticate. We are now logged in. In this section, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile, then click on account. If you want to, you can go ahead and download the Quixel mixer right here, or just directly the Megascans bridge. Okay, so click on it, save it on your desktop so you can easily find it. Save. Wait for the download process to finish. Download is done, so close the browser if you want to. If not, you can just go ahead and minimize this one. Okay, here we have Bridge. So just double click on it. Now a smart screen pop-up will show. Just click on run. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And then wait for the process to finish. Select your library path and find your export target. Click on drop down. Select 3ds Max. Just click on download plugin and install plugin. Once it says installed, just click on done. Stay here. Now here we have the app. Okay. So what you can do in here is just basically sign in. Again with your Epic Games account. And then once signed in, you can just go ahead over to these filters right here. For example, you're looking for 3D assets or 3D plants. You can just click on it, or you can go ahead and search by using the search bar. Okay. Now let's just go ahead and open up 3ds Max. So as you can see here at the top, we have Megascans. Okay. Click on it and click on Quixel. And here we have the plugin. You can go ahead and tick both of these. Apply material to selection and import 3D assets with displacement. Okay. You can minimize this one. Then go back to Bridge. Let's say I'm going to download a asset or 3D asset, maybe a rock, this one. So as of today, when you go ahead and click on download, if you're using and if you're just using a free account, unfortunately, when you click on it, if you have the paid version, you can directly import or export it to your 3ds Max. Okay. So when you click on download right here, just basically select 3ds Max, hit on export, and it will be imported right away right here. Okay. And there you have it. That is just how to install Quixel Bridge and 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.